Friday, August 16th. Looking at the rainbow for today, we've got one key window on the C1 pane here. This white window. Above this, we have some conformational alignments on the A1 to A6 panels right here at 1033, 1057, and then 1124. Also in that block, we've got to watch for the pH, which is around 1040 this morning. So that pH is going to be important. So this little area right here between 1035 and 1030 is going to be probably the most important time indication for today. I'm going to scroll back and take a look at the rainbow from the last 2 days and show you the pivot points that were made there. This was the chart I put out for Wednesday. We had that little flurry around that economic report at 8:30, and then we got into our windows, concentrating on where we're making a new high or new low from the overnight action. We had a short setting up there at the first window. We had a short setting up there. We had a new low here. We got a 7-point move up off of that. Then went down, made a new low, and got the big up move of the day there. We got a reversal right at the beginning of the window, which was a stop. Went on up to our key overlap points here, where the market rolled over. Had a trigger entry here or here without getting stopped out, and then a decent move to the downside. We got a little inside action then inside that large swing. So no new high or low, but these indications would be for scalp only at that point. There were no prime indications Thursday, so that's why I went back to Wednesday. Now I'm looking at Tuesday. Tuesday had nice trigger points. We had this short trigger here, a long trigger here on those key time overlaps. Look at the structure on the ribbons where I have these vertical lines. We had this one here, this was a long scalp. Then we had a legitimate prime short setup. Another prime short here, even though that one was a stop out. And then a little bit after 1 in the afternoon, we had another short, which was decent for at least 10 there. So there's some good trades going on all week long. And then flipping it back to Monday, we had two prime trades here. We had the low a day for a long and the high a day for a short. And then at the end of that window, we had a quick move down in that window, then got a reversal there. So that would have been a long scalp. Then we had a long scalp and a short scalp off of the window there between noon and 1. And then late in the day, there was a minor reversal up to the trigger line, which kicked it back down, and then the end of the window kicked it back up. So you can see the timing is there. It just wasn't much price movement there, but you can see we were creating this triangle as the day progressed. So the two main trades were the new low of the day, then the new high of the day. Everything else for the rest of the day was inside that range. Marking the triangle, what we're looking at there, we want to see the new highs and the new lows form outside of the prior price action, and this was the prior price action, was marked right there. So the price action of the day in the early morning before we got to the session is bracketed by that horizontal highlight tool. So you can see right here we made a new low, broke outside that range, retested the bottom of that range for that nice scalp long, but then everything else was just building into that consolidation. So anything else beyond this high of day after this swing down was put in, as we got into this area here, stuck inside this range, everything else has to just be considered a scalp trade.